Go ahead and put it in.
Hello! Welcome back to our channel, Meet the Teats. Today I'm cooking with Laila! I have peanut butter and water and spinach and strawberries, but it is really cold. Superfood and a banana. Now let's get to the video. I'm getting the spinach out. More?
A lot more.
I have to be careful.
Spinach is so healthy for you, isn't it, Layla?
Yes. Now let's get strawberries out.
Mmm.
It's freezing cold.
Out of your favorite foods, which one here is your favorite ingredient? Strawberries, bananas, peanut butter, or the spinach?
The strawberries?
You like the strawberries?
Yes, and wrap them are cold and smell good. The last strawberry.
Okay. Think that's enough?
Yes.
All right, close that up. Uh-oh, should we take that out of the peanut butter?
Yes.
Okay, take that out the peanut butter and put it into the blender.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, very good.
Now let's get the peanut butter.
It doesn't want to come off. Okay, so we got peanut butter. What other ingredients do we need?
Water. Some water now. What about you could do that after I put the banana in?
Okay. We'll put the whole banana in there.
Yeah.
When you cook, your hands are going to get a little dirty. That's okay. What's next?
Water. I just don't want to slip and then the whole water will spill on the floor.
Okay. Layla, why are you washing your hands?
Because I don't want to let the water slip and let it go on the floor.
Okay.
And that's why.
Okay. All right. So let's get back to cooking with Layla.
Let me fix it.
Water. Is it going? I can help you out a little bit. When should we stop?
When it gets to this right here. Now stop.
Okay.
Now let's put the last ingredient in here. Give us a big thumbs up if you like chocolate.
Mmm, chocolate. Okay, so are we all done?
Now press this.
Press power. Starts with a P. Wait till it turns. Okay. And then you're going to press the number 2. Think that's good?
Yeah.
Okay, well stop it. Press the 2 again. All right, and turn it off. How does it look, Layla?
Good. Oh.
Okay. So we have our chocolate superfood smoothie. Should we do cheers?
Let's play smoothie. Thank you for watching. Give it a big thumbs up. Watch Tete and Melissa and